In this video, I will tell you how to choose best mutual funds to start SIP or investment. First, what we have to do is go to Google and type crisil mutual fund ranking and open the first link. Here you can see mutual fund ranking. Now open that link. But what is crisil? Crisil means Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. It is a global analytics company that provides ratings, data, research, analytics and solution. It was founded by ICICI and UTI in the year 1988. Once you click on that link, then this page will open. On this page, you will see three options: equity, debt and hybrid. If you want to find the best mutual funds in equity, click on equity. Or if you want to find in debt, click on debt. Similarly, if you want to find the best mutual funds in hybrid category, select hybrid. I am selecting equity. Now come to the regular plan or direct plan. Always select the direct plan option. Now under category, you have to select the category of mutual funds in which you want to invest. See, under every mutual fund, whether it is equity, debt or hybrid, there are different categories. For example, if you want to find best mutual funds in index funds or ETFs, click on index funds or ETFs. See here you can see UTI Nifty 50 index fund, HDFC index fund. Here you can see the rankings. Like this you can find the best mutual funds in every category. Suppose if you want to find the best flexi cap fund, select flexi cap fund under category. And always make sure that the direct plan was selected here. See, under flexi cap funds you can see some best flexi cap funds here. Similarly, if you want to find the best debt funds, select debt funds here and always select direct plan here and select the category. For example, if you want to invest in corporate bond funds, select corporate bond funds. Now you will see the best mutual funds in the corporate bond funds. Here you can see the ICICI Prudential Corporate Bond Fund, Franklin India Corporate Debt Fund. Like that, you will get a basic understanding of which mutual funds are doing better in that particular category. Now what you have to do is to find more details about these particular mutual funds. For example, again go to the equity and select flexi cap fund. Here you can see if you want to do research about HDFC flexi cap fund, select this, copy the name of the mutual fund and come to this website tickertape.in. I will give the links of these websites in below video description. Just click on that links and you will come to these websites. Now in the search bar, paste the name of the mutual fund. And here you can see the HDFC Flexi Cap Fund name is available here. Now click on that. Now you will get a overview of the mutual fund. Here you can see how the mutual fund was performed since its inception. Now when you click on peers, you will see the competitors for that particular mutual fund. Here you can see for HDFC Flexi Cap Fund, the competitors are Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund, Kotak Flexi Cap Fund, UTI Flexi Cap Fund based on the returns and the lifetime CAGR. And the scheme details like how much already invested in that particular mutual fund, you can select your mutual fund in which you want to invest. And it is also better to view the portfolio before starting investing. Under portfolio, you can see the sector wise details of that particular mutual fund. When you scroll down, you can see the top holdings of that mutual fund. Here you can see the HDFC Flexi Cap Fund has mostly invested in these companies. Like this, if you want to search for UTI index fund, here you can see the UTI Nifty 50 index fund. Here you can see the overview. And when you click on the peers, you can see the competitors. And when you click on the portfolio, you can see the sector wise details and also the individual companies in which that particular mutual fund has invested. And if you want to do research about the fund manager, click on fund manager so that you can see the fund manager details as well. So like this, what you have to do is first go to the crisil mutual fund rankings and get a basic understanding of which mutual funds are doing better in every category, and after that go to tickertape website and do your research so that you can get a better understanding of the mutual fund in which you want to invest. I hope you like this video, and for more videos like this please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.